Hello everybody, PJ here. Today I'm working on a 2007 Volvo C30. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the factory fitted head unit. It's not a long procedure, but it can be a little bit tricky, so I thought we'd go over it in detail. You're going to need something like a plastic leverage tool, like so, very important, and a TX25 star driver. Now we're going to start at the top here and pop the clip. You will notice spring clips on the side there, like so. Same with this side. Probably need both hands to do this because it has to pop inwards and out and then up and then out, locating lugs as such. This piece can be quite tricky. You normally lever it from the bottom. Again, it's on locating clips to sort of situated here and here, and they push in, and sometimes they're really sticky to get out, so you have to sort of really lever them to pop them off the clips. Now you will hear a large popping noise when they go, both sides. There we go. If we drop that forward, come here. Two squeezy tabs on the back, just pinch and pull them out. Fibre optic connector here, so we pinch it and pull. Same with this one, squeeze at the top. Obviously I'm not going to do it because the display will fall on the floor, but pinch and remove. That's the hard bit done, that's the good news. Next, 4 TX25s, one here, one here. Take both of those out. And if you come down to the gear lever area, pop that out so it sits in there. Pop this off. You notice they're not very tight there, finger tight. Two more TX25s, 1, 2, remove all 4. With all 4 removed, we can now wiggle the centre console loose, push those through. Connector on the back, pinch and pull. The tabs underneath, so it's a bit of a bind to get to. There we go, take that out. Lift away, store that safely. And 2 more TX25s. One here, undo that, one here, undo that. Once removed, they can be really tight, these sort of stick in, but pull it out. There we go. And there's your connectors on the back. Pinch there for the aerial, the FACRA connector, double FACRA, and pinch again for the actual wiring block. And this one, like I say, is fibre optic, so we pinch and pull that out. And that's it. That's how you remove the radio on a Volvo C30. Any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you as fast as possible. Just bear in mind I'm inundated with questions every day, so sometimes it can take me a day or two to get back to you. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye for now.